Hey there, welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial video for the play-along videos of Flowers as recorded by Miley Cyrus. What we're going to do in this video, first of all, we'll look at the chords you need for GCEA soprano, concert, tenor, ukulele. Then we'll take a look at the chords you need for baritone, DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk about strumming. If you like the chords you see here, you can find the chord chart or tabs at UkeStuff.info, which is my website or blog. And if you look at the right page for chord sheets or tabs, you'll see all the songs listed in alphabetical format that are listed there available at this time. I'm working on going back and doing all the songs, but there's over 600 and it's going to take a while. If you want to support the work on the channel here, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for soprano, concert, tenor, GCEA ukulele. I'll be using this instrument. This is my Mayamoy concert ukulele made of myrtle. All right, the first chord is the C major 7 chord. Then the A minor chord. Then the D minor chord. It's really the F chord with an extra finger. Then G chord. And then the C chord. And those are the 5 chords you need to play Flowers on soprano, concert, tenor, GCEA ukulele. Now let's take a look at the chords you need on baritone, DGBE ukulele. All right, on baritone, DGBE ukulele, I'll be using this instrument. This is my Tom concert ukulele. It has a solid mahogany top and laminate mahogany back and sides. What makes this one special is it's a concert scale ukulele, but it has Pepe Romero baritone strings on it, so it can be played like a baritone ukulele. All right, so the first chord you're going to need is the hardest chord, and if you can't play it, just play the C chord. It's the C major 7 chord, so you play the C chord, but then you add the third finger to what would normally be your G chord, so which is actually pretty normal where how you do that. So you've got that much going there, and then you add your pinky to the 3rd string 4th fret. That's the C major 7 chord. Now, additionally, you could always play that up at the 5th fret if you wanted to as well. But for now, that's the chord that shows on the chord chart, is that C major 7. Then we've got the A minor chord, then the D minor chord. That one may take a little bit of practice. First finger on the 1st string, 1st fret, and then the 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then the 3rd finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And that's your D minor chord. Then the G chord, and then a normal C chord. And those are the chords you need to play Flowers by Miley Cyrus on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. Now, as it comes to strumming, first and foremost, there was no ukulele in the original version of the song, so if you hear something different, go ahead and play it. I'm just going to give you one idea here of something that you can do, and it involves a chuck. So what a chuck is when you hit all 4 strings with your fingers, and then you stop it with your palm. It's often called a palm mute. And if you don't have that skill yet, there's lots of videos out on the internet that'll show you how to play it. But this is what I hear. I hear down, up, chuck, up, 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 down, up, chuck, up. And then when you walk down to that C major 7, when it occurs, you just keep playing the pattern with your hand. So again, this is kind of the longer A minor, D minor, G, C, and then C major 7. And if the video ever tells you to play a single strum, then you play the single strum. Sometimes that's shown with an arrow with a single arrow, or sometimes it just says single strums in part of the song. But again, that's what this sounds like. That's without the C major 7. Now let's put the C major 7 in there. And that works out really, really well. Down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck. And that's all you need to do to be successful on Flowers by Miley Cyrus. So that combination of strumming and those chords, and you'll be good to go. All right, thanks so much for watching the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.